Have you ever wondered what WS2811 or WS2812B, SK6812, what does all these numbers mean? Or why some lights do like cool blinky things and how come some lights all blink at the same time? If you're getting into LED projects and starting to feel overwhelmed with pixel types, I'm gonna break it all down for you. This is what you're gonna need. Pixels are the heart of your LED displays. In one pixel, there's a red diode, a green diode, and a blue diode. And it's usually all in one small little package. There's a tiny chip that tells it what to do. By adjusting brightness and color, you can really bring your displays and even your house to life. Think of your pixels like mini light soldiers. You tell them what to do and where to go, and that's what they're gonna do. There are two major types of pixels. You have smart pixels and you have dumb pixels. Smart pixels, also called addressable pixels, can be controlled one by one. That means pixel number 3 can be blue, pixel number 4 can be red, pixel number 5 can be pink. With dumb pixels, the entire strip can be one color. You don't get the individual control, so you either have a red strip, a blue strip, a yellow strip, but you can't individually control each LED. You can't control it. It's one signal, one effect. If you're doing animated sequences or lighting effects, the smart pixels is the only way to go. Let's take a look at some of the popular pixel types. First, the WS2811. These are among the most popular in holiday and landscape displays. They come as a bullet or square nodes and use a 3-channel system. One chip controls 3 RGB LEDs. They're affordable and reliable. These are pretty much the standard workhorse of all the displays that you're gonna see. I use all WS2811 in all of my shows and in all of my props. Next up is the WS2812B. These come in a few different styles, from indoor use to waterproof and weatherproof to outdoor use. These are the pixel strips. They're not the bullet pixels, so you can't insert them into props, but you can line like windowsills or window outlines or frames. You can do a lot with these things. I don't use them a lot because I don't see them as versatile as having the bullet nodes. But for inside, like the Twinkle Toons laboratory, and if you check out that video, I do my tables and my shelves, and I take care of the soffits in my gaming room. Everything has the WS2812Bs in them. Let's talk about the SK6812. Think of these as upgraded WS2812Bs. So they have a better color consistency and sometimes include a white LED, making them an RGBW for more realistic colors and softer whites. So a lot of the LEDs that you purchase, especially the WS2811s, only come with a red, green, and a blue. And when you combine all 3 of those colors, they end up being a quote-unquote a white. Now, if you're looking for a more pure installation or you really want a true white, you're gonna look for the other ones that include a white, a dedicated white LED. So you're gonna have an RGBW, and that's gonna be in the title of whatever you're buying, and that tells you that you're gonna have those 4 LEDs, a red, a green, a blue, and a white, and dedicated, so you get warm whites, cool whites, you just get a more pure color. Just like people, pixels comes in all shapes and sizes. The most common that you're gonna find is called a bullet node. The bullet nodes are common for outlines and props. They're easy to push through all coroplast and PVC. And then you've got the square nodes. The square nodes are similar, but they're flat on the back and they're easy to push for mounting. So if you wanted to take your square node and put it flush up against a surface or a wall and put a double-sided stick, you can do that. With a bullet node, you can't do that. So it has its advantages and disadvantages depending on the design that you're going for. You're also going to have LED strips. We talked about this a little bit. The WS2812Bs, those are normally strips. They're flexible and they're great for signs or wrapping around surfaces or outlining. I don't use them because I like the look of the bullet pixels, but once again, feel free of however you want to use them. It's just a different style of LED. Each one has a purpose. It depends on your layout, it depends on your style, it depends on what you need for your design. How do you pick the right pixel for your first project? If you're starting out, the WS2811 are a solid pick. I would get the WS2811 all day long. That's what you're gonna invest in. That's what you're gonna be building your props with. Go with the bullet node until you get your feet wet and go, hey, I've got a couple custom props, I have an idea. Then start branching out from there. But don't be afraid, get the WS2811 bullet nodes. There's a whole world of pixels out there. I hope that this kind of helped you out a little bit, helped answer some of those questions that you may have. If it did, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon as I keep this series going. And make sure you check out our next video where I dive into power. How are we gonna turn these things on now? What's the difference between 5 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt? What do you need? What are we supposed to do now? I've got lights, I don't know how to plug them in yet. Stick around, that's the next video. Thanks for watching and have fun building with your new pixels. You're gonna love it. It's an endless money pit. It'll never stop. You are getting into a hobby that will never stop. It's fantastic, it's great fun.